trapped in this cage, in this cage. Please help me. Thoughts in my mind talking to me every time, when the only thing I want is to smile, only smile, only smile. When I see a chance to live, would I take it? Would I take it? I'm gonna be free, I'm gonna live, but it's worth the risk, the risk. I feel so empty with this, but without it, would it be any change? Would it be any change? Is this feeling real? Happiness exists? Are you really here with me? With me? With me? With me? Why can't I be like them and forget? You're happily blinded, happily blinded, happily blinded, happily blinded.